أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start Surahalfeel Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English and similarly Online Islamic Classes Urdu, so please subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all new videos. Now we start. I will read first, you have to repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. سورة الفيل مكية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. So in the alam tara, here is mim sakin. After the mim sakin, the next letter is ta. So we make izhar shafawi here. So the rule is, if after the mim sakin right now this is ta, and this is not a mim, this is not a ba, this is not alif. So except of these three letters, any other letter come, then we make izhar shafawi there, and in izhar shafawi we make the clear sound of mim, and then we say alam tara. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Kaifa fa'ala rabbuka. Ra we read again in heavy sound. Ba make little bit strong voice. Rabbuka bi asha. Here sad we read in heavy sound. Bi asha. How we long due to standing fatha. Bil feel. And here will be madde ariz, like after the madda letters. This is ya madda here. Ya is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is kasra before the ya. So this is ya madda. And after the madda letter, if next letter come with temporary sukun, right now there is no any sukun. There is kasra under the lam right now, but when we stop, there will be sukun sign come, and we skip this kasra under the lam, and then we say feel. We long basically here. And why we long then when we stop? Feel. That mad is called madde ariz, because after the madda letter, if next letter comes with temporary sukun and you want to stop there, so at that position the mad will be madde ariz. So madde ariz means temporary mad. In the last class we read madde leen ariz, because on that position the same was, like here is after the madda temporary letter is coming, and there was after the leen temporary letter was coming. And that example you read in the word Quraish, right? There was madde leen ariz, and here is madde ariz only. Okay, this mad almost we long 1 to 2 seconds, so 3 seconds as well. So but then we say bi ashabil feel. Look, we long there. And now we say the complete. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil feel. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. ألم يجعل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل Alam yaj'al, here on the meme sakin, again after the meme sakin there is no meme, there is no any ba, there is no alif. So except of these three letters, if any other letter come after the meme sakin, at that time we make izhar shafawi, we make the clear sound of meme, and then we say alam yaj, and on the jim we make kalkala sound due to sukun sign is coming on the jim, and that is kalkala letters. There are 5 kalkala letters: kutubu jaddin, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Whenever these 5 letters come with sukun sign, then you will make kalkala there, and this kalkala letter is coming in the middle of the word. That's why this is weak kalkala. So we say yaj'al kaidahum. There is yalin, we read softly. Hum fi, after the mim sakin again the next letter is fa, we make izhar shafawi. Fi, here is ya madda, ya is coming with sukun sign, there is kasra before the ya. Tadlil, on the dot you read heavy sound and do not make kalkala sound like tadlil. This is wrong. Only say tad, because in this letter there is quality of istitala. So in istitala quality, almost we little long. If you didn't know about the istitala quality, please watch my videos on Sifatul Huruf. I put it the link in the description. You can watch there. And then we say tad, lil. Here is again ya madda, and when we stop here, so the mad will be madde aris, like temporary mad. So why temporary mad? Because we are putting a sukun sign on the lam for stopping. If we stop, so this sukun comes temporary, right? So after the madda letter, if the next letter comes with temporary sukun, because there this double kasra will be skipped under the lam, and it will be tadlil. We long little bit, and almost 1 to 3 seconds we can say we long. And now we say all together. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. وأرسل, here is ra is coming with sukun sign, and there is fatha on the before letter. We read ra in heavy sound in this position. Wa arsala, in the same way the whistling sound. Alayhim, alay, there is yalin, we read softly. Alay, we do not long here. Alayhim, after the mim sakin the next letter is ta. So here we read again izhar shafawi. Ta we read in heavy sound, there is yalin now, we read softly. Run, ra again we read in heavy sound, you do double fatha on it. Tayran aba, after the double fatha the next letter is hamza, so we make izhar here, like we read the clear sound of noon. So we say Tayran aba, run. So noon sound is clear, we are not making ghunna. Aba, again alif madda is here. Before the alif there is fatha sign. Ababil, bil also we know there is ya madda, and if we stop here on this place, so it will be madde ariz. So we say وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. And if you want to continue on tadleel with the next word وأرسل, so it will be tadleel وأرسل, right? So here will be then idgham with ghunna. So after the tanween, if wow comes, so we make idgham with ghunna because there is yarmalun letter after the tanween. So that's why it will be fi tadlilin wa arsala. And the next tarmihim بحجارة من سجيل Tarmi, here is ra with heavy sound due to sukoon sign on it, and before there is fatha we read in heavy sound. Tarmi, me we long due to ya madda, him be. After the mim sakin, the next letter is ba now. So I told already, if after the mim sakin, if next letter is ba, we make ikhfa shafawi, we hide the sound of mim into nose. Tarmi him be, right? We close our lips softly and then we say this sound. Do not close your lips hardly like tarmi him be. Okay, this is not good. You have to read this place softly. Tarmihim bihi, tarmihim bihija. Jim, here is alif madda, ra we read in heavy sound. After the tanween, the next letter is mim now again. So we make idgham with ghunna. So, and also the meme when comes with shad sign or noon comes with shad sign, we always make ghunna. Bihijaratim, we make ghunna here. Tim min sijil. After the noon sakin, the next letter is sin, which is one of the ikhfa letter. So that's why we say min sijil. We hide the sound of noon here. Min sijil. G, here we long due to ya madda, and if we stop here it will be madde ariz. So we say tarmihim bihijaratin min sijil, tarmihim bihijaratin min sijil فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. In faja'alahum, we do not long any letter here. Faja'alahum. After the mim sakin, the next is kaf. We make izhar shafawi. Faja'alahum ka'as. Kaf we read in light sound. Swad read in heavy sound. After the tanween, the next is mim idgham with ghunna. And then here is alif, which is called hamza, because alif if comes with sukoon sign on it, we say that is hamza. And the rule is that if hamza comes with sukoon sign, so we make a jerk sound there. Right now this is hamza and hamza has a sukoon. We make jerking sound as we say ma. And then ku, here is waw madda, and after the waw madda, which stop we do here, that stop will be madde ariz, because after the madda letter, the next letter will be temporary sukoon sign, right? So we say ma'kul, and then we say فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. Now we read all together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. We say again. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question about this surah, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, in the next class, we will come with the new surah. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.